My name is Erin Drawdy. I am our Director of Strategic Partnerships with AGCO Corporation. AGCO is the largest pure-play manufacturer in the world for agriculture. We're in 140 countries. AGCO began our journey with Copilot Studio in late November of 2025. For citizen development with AI, we wanted to find the fastest path to market. We wanted to make sure that our employees were comfortable with it. We had a leadership meeting with about 2,200 people, and we said, who wants to really start building agents? Who wants to take it to the next level? And we had about 900 people come back and said they wanted to immediately start building. I think asking them, where do you see gaps today? Where are your friction points? That's where we have to start. Right now, we have a couple hundred agents either that have been completed, in the works, or we're co-creating and building bigger enterprise agents together. Our quality agent that we're working on right now with Microsoft is actually Agentic framework. Today, it really hits bottlenecks because of the small teams it's going through. If we have a quality issue on the line and it has to be validated by several teams, that's where this is eliminated. Like you're going from several weeks of people reviewing, understanding, supporting, to literally an hour they're reading, validating, and moving to the next step. Everybody wants the best quality products in the world, especially in manufacturing, and so this really puts us up above and supports our farmers in a meaningful way. We want all of our employees to move quickly with us. We want them to understand that AI is in everything that we're doing. Our partnership with Microsoft continues to evolve. Everybody is so excited to be on this journey together.